Namaste, I am Venkatraman, Head of Business Development at Horizon Industrial Parks, India's largest and fastest growing industrial and logistics infrastructure developer. We are the only scale pure play industrial and logistics platform in India with an integrated development and active asset management model. India is witnessing one of the fastest transformations in supply chain and logistics. With the rapid development and growth in e-commerce, manufacturing, retail, and exports, the need for efficient and resilient supply chains has never been greater. Government infrastructure and policies are also accelerating infrastructure development and redefining how goods move across the country. At the same time, customer expectations are evolving rapidly. Businesses are now expected to deliver faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. The transformation is also driving the growing importance of institutional grade warehousing and world-class manufacturing facilities. Modern ecosystems are becoming critical in reducing turnaround time, improving inventory management, lowering costs, and enhancing overall supply chain efficiency. As India positions itself as a global manufacturing hub, collaboration between industry leaders, logistics experts, infrastructure developers, technology providers, and policymakers become very essential. Therefore, the first VDMA supply chain and logistics conclave has been conceptualized as a platform to exchange ideas, explore emerging trends, discuss challenges, and discover opportunities that will define the next era of logistics and supply chain management in India. I warmly invite all of you to join us on 3rd June at the Leela Gurugram and be part of this exciting journey towards building smarter, faster, and more resilient supply chains for India.